So when you're doing a home renovation, the contract is the most important piece of it. It's going to lay out everything that you're entitled to, that you're entitled for the contractor to do. You're going to want to make sure it's very clear in the scope of the work, explaining exactly what it is the contractor is going to do. If the contractor has promised you something verbally, but it doesn't end up in your contract, written into your contract, don't expect that you're going to get it. And you'd have no way to enforce getting it from him. So having a detailed scope of work, having very clearly written out what the price is going to be, what the payment schedule is going to be. Usually payments under contracts are broken up into progress payments at certain points of the project. Make sure that those are defined very clearly. Have in there, just what happens in case you get into a dispute. How are you going to resolve it? You're going to want to make sure that there's an obligation on the contractor to give you releases and lien releases every time you make a payment to them. You're going to want to know if they're using subcontractors. Those are kind of the big things, but there's 100 other points that I could probably go into about what's important to have in one of these contracts. So make sure you talk to a construction attorney before you get into a project like that.